So today we're going to be doing something really fun, installing Google Analytics. This is a crucial part of any web project because it allows you to analyze traffic to your website. You can determine top sources of user traffic, gauge the success of marketing activities and campaigns, discover patterns and trends in user engagement, and even obtain other information like demographics. So how does it work? Analytics acquires user data from your website through the use of page tags inserted into the head of each page on your site. These tags run in the user's browser, collecting visitor information and sending it off to Google. The service is free and fairly easy to use, even for beginners in web development. Depending how your website is built, whether it's built with a website builder like Wix or CMS like WordPress, content management system, or if it's built from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, there will be one of two methods for installing it, both of which are extremely simple. Method I'm going to be showing you today works best for sites that are built without a content management system or a website builder. The site which I will be demonstrating for you is a static website built with HTML, JavaScript, and Tailwind CSS and hosted for free on Cloudflare Pages. Check out my other video on Cloudflare Pages to see how to set it up to host your website. It's free, fast, and easy to use. I'll add the link in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to get started by going to analytics.google.com. And the first thing we want to do is go to our admin panel. Over here on the left, you'll see towards the bottom the little gear icon here. We'll just go ahead and click that. And we want to create a new property. So I already have another website that I'm tracking here. Just ignore all that. We're going to go over here towards the middle of the page where it says create property. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're just going to give Google some details. I'm just going to call this one Thai Dev. And for the time zone, I am in the Eastern time zone, so that's what I'm going to set. Let's see, let's find that here. That's always fun to look through the time zones and try and find yours. Let's see, New York, there we go. And just go ahead and click next. And just fill in whatever information for your company or site. And check whatever. I'll just go ahead and check all of these, because why not? And we'll go ahead and click create. So we have our new property. What do we do next? Well, next step is setting up a data stream. So Google makes it pretty easy for you here. They just show it right in front of you. As soon as you set up your property, you're just going to choose a platform. We're going to be doing web. So go ahead and click that. And then add your website URL. In my case, this is going to be thaidevstudios.com. And I'll just name the stream the same thing as the property name. So once you have that, just go ahead and click create stream. And there you have it. You're presented with your stream details. Now this is where you can see your tag. Now depending how you're adding your tag to your website, like say if you were using a CMS, a content management system such as WordPress, you would probably use the GID here. We're not going to be doing that today. We're going to be using the global site tag, which is just planted directly into the HTML of your page. So look for that. That is going to be, let's see, it should be right here, the global site tag. Yep, here we go. So just click global site tag, and we'll see this bit of code right here. It's going to be a script tag. We're going to copy this. Then I'm going to navigate over to my web project here, which I have open in Visual Studio, Visual VS Code. And now Google says that the code should be added near the top of the head tag before any other script. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to add it right after the CSS and before any other script. We'll go ahead and paste right there. And there you go. And we'll save that. Now this has to be done for every page on your website. So each page that you have, you'll want to put that in the head. But that's pretty much it. Once that is done, then you can start tracking in Google Analytics. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video.